My name is Pungtawi Jungsiripong. I am the Vice President of KR Strength. I am in charge of two parts of the company, and they are sales and engineering design. KR Strength was founded by Mr. Virod and me. We've got to know each other from previous business, and Mr. Virod was working in a tapioca starch producing company. I was an employee at a machine manufacturer that builds the tapioca producing machines. After we had many discussions, we decided to start our own company because we saw a lot of growth in the market. We employ young designers who think outside the box and are not stuck in the belief that existing machines are the best. They try to find new ideas to produce better machines. Another strength is that we use high technology, modern production tools, and 3D software for the design process. And also our after-sales service. We get compliments for it from our customers. We have almost 100% customer satisfaction, and we provide fast service for every of our customers. We have a lot of experience with SolidWorks. We've been using it since the very first release. When KR Strength started the business, the first software we used was SolidWorks. All this time we were using SolidWorks to draw the pipes that run between the machines in the production line. But when we found out about SolidPlant, we knew it would be a better solution for our company. I visited a SolidWorks Innovation Day, and there is what I learned about SolidPlant. The interface of SolidPlant is very similar to that of SolidWorks, and it's very easy to use. So that's basically why we decided to go for SolidPlant. Our work consists not only of producing machines, but some of our clients also need turnkey projects. A turnkey project means that we have to design a production line and bring the machines into it. So the design process will start from the P&ID drawing. We used to draw the P&ID in a 2D system and later draw the model again in 3D software. So we used two different programs that did not connect with each other. With SolidPlant, the 2D and 3D drawings are connected. So there's no need for different programs anymore, which saves a lot of time. It's so much faster this way. SolidPlant is a direct hit. It's just what we need. Our main job is factory layout, and the second job is piping. So SolidPlant is so fast and always accurate when calculating the data, which is really helpful for preparing the documents we send to our supplier. It's really a direct hit. Not very long. From the moment AppliCAD gave us the demo, our engineers were really able to understand 80% of the software already. So that's when we decided to buy it. AppliCAD gave a training which took less than a week, and our engineers now have a full understanding of SolidPlant. I feel very positively about it. We were very impressed with SolidPlant from the moment we started using it, and until this day we've been very happy with it. I want to give a compliment to the team that takes care of SolidWorks and SolidPlant. The after-sales service is very good too. After we sell our machines, we will follow our customers for many years to make sure that they're happy. We inquire about the strengths and weaknesses of our machines, and when the customer gives a recommendation on how to improve, we will quickly do the research. You know, we are just the ones who make the machines, but the ones who use them will have better knowledge of the pros and cons of the machines. Then the user can report back to us so we can upgrade the machines to make them better. From the feedback from the customer, we can really easily make revisions in the drawings and the 3D model also. It's very easy to edit the model in SolidPlant.